Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 8th, 2018. Of course, we start off with the Weather Concierge winter forecast. Check out weatherconcierge.com and get the latest details on what we are expecting for this upcoming winter from the Northeast all the way to the West Coast. We'll talk about what you can expect. And also, we are launching a new service today called the Forecaster's Inner Circle. It's a subscription service where you get to chat with your own forecaster. Basically, it's a unique way to get the weather that is better than what you usually get from your traditional weather providers. We offer context and answers to users on a deeper level. The Forecaster's Inner Circle is a manifestation of our vision to go beyond mere localized and personalized and getting personal by forging customized relationships with our audience. What that basically means is that chat with me or Henry or Tom Moore and get details and get our point of view on the weather that you can get more beyond than just looking at a simple app and it says a forecast, it says it's raining, you look out the window and it's snowing. What's going on here? Well, you don't have to question anymore. You just go to the inner circle, the Forecaster's Inner Circle, and get that latest analysis and talk to a forecaster and say, hey, look, I see what's the forecast, but I'm looking out my window and it's raining now, or it should be snowing, or snowing when it should be raining. What is going on? And get your answer within a matter of seconds rather than staring at your phone saying, what's going on here? Right? Right. Okay, so definitely check that out at weatherconcierge.com. Meanwhile, our forecast for today is showing a cold front that is trying to push through the region. We're having a battle of air masses in place right now between a marine air mass, which is producing cloudy, drizzly, foggy weather, and a tropical air mass that's producing, well, foggy, dreary, cloudy weather. So the actual impacts are not going to be all that much difference between the warmer air mass and the cooler air mass. The only real difference is that we're going to be in the 50s and 60s to the north of this frontal boundary and upper 60s to lower 70s to the south of the boundary. So obviously warmer. But the overall impacts of cloudy skies, poor visibility, fog, drizzle, a few showers here and there will remain in place for the entire region. So definitely a dreary Monday on the way. When we take a look at the latest satellite picture, you can see just plenty of low clouds socked in throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. This low cloud shield is not going away anytime soon. It will be sticking around throughout the northern mid-Atlantic, producing a rather dreary day. And the reason why, again, when we take a look at the surface map, you have our high-pressure system over the St. Lawrence River Valley and over portions of southeastern Canada, basically over Quebec. And that high-pressure system is driving in a marine air mass like this on northeasterly winds. As this high-pressure system shifts to the east and this low-pressure system shifts towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, what we're going to see is more of a southeasterly and southwesterly wind take hold, driving warm air throughout the region for tomorrow and for much of this upcoming week until this cold front over here approaches the region by Thursday night, producing heavy rainfall and introducing a much cooler air mass for the region. So let's dive into this forecast and take a look at what we have here for the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas. For today, cloudy, foggy, dreary, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s to the north of that frontal boundary, lower to mid 70s to the south of the frontal boundary. So basically the Philadelphia metro, you're in the lower to mid 70s. Down towards Atlantic City, Cape May. New York City Metro, Central New Jersey, Long Island, you're basically in the 60s the rest of the day. Everyone's cloudy, everyone's dreary, and it's a little bit uncomfortable with all the humidity in the air. By tonight, what we start to see is that frontal boundary give way, warm air surges throughout the region with winds veering to the southwest. Look for low temperatures tomorrow in the mid to upper 60s, a few lower 70s in the Philadelphia Metro, with locally dense fog, dreary conditions, some drizzle, just pretty much what you see right now is what you're going to get tomorrow morning. For tomorrow afternoon, a little bit more breaks in the clouds, more scattered cloud cover in place. Temperatures will be jumping into the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Wednesday, that tropical air mass will be in place still. We'll have a nice southwesterly wind, lows in the upper 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. We'll watch Hurricane Michael very carefully drive towards the Florida Panhandle on Wednesday afternoon and evening, making landfall Wednesday night into Thursday morning over the Panhandle and heading towards the southeast with very heavy rainfall. So, unfortunately, locations like South Carolina and North Carolina do not need more rainfall, and unfortunately that is exactly what they're going to get. On Thursday, our cold front approaches. The moisture from Michael will stream up ahead of this cold front, but we'll miss the brunt of the heavy rainfall. That's really going to be focused over eastern North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, exactly where they do not need it. And unfortunately, it's going to enhance the flash flooding potential in those locations. For our neck of the woods, look for areas of fog on Thursday morning with lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, giving way to scattered or broken cloud cover. A few more showers, especially as you head towards the evening hour, and widespread rainfall Thursday night into Friday morning. Look for highs on Thursday in the mid to upper 70s with more cloud cover. On Friday morning, the cold front pushes off the coast. I think this might be a little bit too fast because of this wave of low pressure. So let's say Friday morning we have periods of rain, giving way to clearing skies in the afternoon. Temperatures go nowhere with a true polar air mass coming into the region. So lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Highs in the lower to mid 60s, upper 50s as you head towards the northern interior. On Saturday, polar air is in place with high pressure, clear skies expected, lows in the mid to upper 40s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Sunday, high pressure remains in place with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the region. High temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s to the north of the New York City and Philadelphia metro, lower to mid 60s everywhere else. On Monday, a cold front will move through with scattered showers. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.